Let me introduce us. We are some fine, young, very educated guys and gals. We've gotten gussied up in almost terrifying guises, as we do every year, ready to violate, annihilate, and cleanse our souls. But things took a turn.
Hi, Megan. I'm Katie.
It's nice to meet you, Katie. Do you want to hang out?
Oh, you goof. Wasn't that just peachy keen?
Need some help?
You see that? Would you hand me my hat? Yes, sir. I am a part-time magician.
Are those type of mercenaries?
Would you like to see a magic trick?
And you failed! You failed to deliver the homeless swine! I'm very disappointed as you fine folk should know better. That piece of filth that you are protecting exists only to serve our needs in turn!
Megan!
So I bid thee farewell, sweet Sandy.
Body back.
Come and get it.
Release the beast boys, let the killing commence!
Wait, did everyone lock you in the first?
Ooh. No, I want to read this. I want to read this. No, I'm just gonna. The prayer is just gonna be at the water world.
Este cabrón le dije eso.
Really?
Yeah, what you think I'm trying for, man? There's gonna be one section.
Proceeding towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have any emergency, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assist you. Now, before we begin tonight's festivities, I just have one question for you. Do you love horror movies? Well, there's one name that's synonymous with the horror genre. That name is Blumhouse, the company behind some of the most frightening film franchises in modern horror. And tonight we're gonna take you to the place where the horror movie was born, the world-famous Universal Studios backlot. But like all great horror movies, there's a twist. We're gonna drop you off and you're gonna have to walk through some of the most iconic sets in horror history, where you'll come face to face with some of the most famous characters from Blumhouse films. I have another question for you. What's the scariest setting for a horror movie? To me, the answer is right there in Blumhouse's name and logo. A house. A place that's supposed to be safe. A place where nothing can possibly go wrong. You know what I'm talking about. A stranger that arrives at your front door in the dead of night. A phone that rings and rings and rings and rings and rings. Or even a little girl's doll that starts acting a little weird. Houses are portals to the unknown. When you step through that door, you don't know what will be waiting for you.
There's someone who wanted you. This is Megan. Take your fingers and put them here. You're gonna pair with her.
Hi, Megan. Do you want to hang out?
You creepy dude in the mouse.
You're on your own. I'll see you in the afterlife.
You got that too? Wait, that's a rip-off of Megan!
Oh! Whoa, no. You go there. I'm not dying.
Everybody scares me. Is it because I have microphones?
Oh, we're gonna go to Megan.
Kill the shark! Oh my goodness!
What are you? I've been asking myself the same question. I didn't want you to see this. Listen to me.
That is cool.
They grow up to be bad men. Are you listening to me?
Straight on him.
Yo me agarro del roof. El año pasado un chingo de muertos aquí tirados. Oh, ahí están unos.
Oh my god. Freaky.
He said it! He said it!
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yeah, show me the magic trick. Isn't that the bananas from the Minion ride?
I like how they chase that fast.
Oh, hold on. You're cooked. You're cooked. You're freaking cooked. This guy's
Can you go more
cooked.
to the middle? Why you have to be so close to the
They could do whatever they want for 12 hours. That's the thing, Oh no! Oh! Oh crap!
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of emergency.
Uh-oh!
Tell you might not make it out.
Oh! Oh! Oh look! It's not even Christmas yet. Alright?
Please help me.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh God. I don't like you.
Watch your back, Leo.
Okay. That's my first scream. Happy? This is my first scream. The world. Yeah, focus on this. And definitely not focus on the killers on the street. Oh God. Oh look. It's the guy from Snapchat. It's the guy from Snapchat. Oh. Oh. God bless America. They got you. Oh. I thought it was a regular person. I actually thought it was a regular person. I thought it was a... Wait, we could go there. Can we go there? No.
That's close.
Ooh. I don't like you. Ooh. I don't like you too. Oh God, maybe they scare me. If I say I like them, they won't scare me, right? Look, I like you. Oh no, that makes them more aggressive. Never mind. Okay, that was fun.
Come this way, Leo. Come this way.
You know what? Should we do this again? That was fun. That was fun. It was fun. I wish we could go again.
Bro, what happened, bro?
Aww.
You okay?
Ah, yes.
Poor Leo.
You almost got cooked, Leo. You almost got cooked. This is freaking
I
sweet.
legit like my
We're gonna meet
animatronic
Finest
ride.
Freddy's when they're made out of
Like,
cardboard.
You know, just doing most of the gills.
We never get to see this.
Oh, I think they're waiting for that tram to move. To the lockers?
I don't think you guys could see it, but you could check out Tram Racing's version. It's not full screen, but it's like the old one.
¿Quién la tomó con foto con Freddy?
Five Nights at Freddy's.
¿Chile o no?
I would like to give a shout out to my online friend Shades. You could friend him in Roblox and subscribe to him to his channel, even though he doesn't have any content in his channel. And yeah, see ya.